Turn your furry friend into a culinary star by making AI dog cooking videos that will have your social media followers barking for more. Imagine your adorable dog, not just begging for treats, but actively involved in the kitchen, concocting hilarious and entirely Eigner-rated meals. This tutorial will show you exactly how to bring these whimsical visions to life. First, we'll explore the essential AI tools. You'll want to find user-friendly platforms that allow you to input text prompts and generate video clips. Think of these as your digital puppeteers, bringing your dog's kitchen adventures to life. The magic starts with your prompt. Be descriptive. Specify the breed of dog, the kitchen setting, the action they're performing, and the ingredients. Want your bulldog to expertly frost a cake with its nose? Spell it out. The more detail, the more fantastical the result. Next, we move to generating the video itself. You'll upload reference images or even short video clips of your own dog, if you have them, to help the AI capture their likeness. Then, you'll input your detailed prompts and let the AI work its magic to create short, humorous video segments. Now, to craft the perfect narrative, stitch your generated clips together in a video editor. Think about pacing and comedic timing. Add silly sound effects, like exaggerated chewing or triumphant music, to amplify the humor. Overlay text that tells a funny story about your dog's culinary creation. The key to engaging content is injecting personality and charm. Experiment with different scenarios. Your dog as a gourmet chef, a clumsy baker, or even a mad scientist in the kitchen. These AI dog cooking videos are all about fun, creativity, and sharing a laugh. So, let's get barking on your next viral pet content sensation.